Nekiriro bugiririo na maithori thutha wa Arutwo ya kwamukira ndomereri igi gikuũ kia murutani wao. Kiriro gikeha makiria thutha wa gukurana ati Arutwo ere thukuru-ini uyu maya gukorwo ni mahutanitie na gikuũ kia murutani wao. Ona aikari a itura riria thukuru uyu ri ni magegetio muno ni giko giki. Mwarimu Peter Omare uria urathomithagia mathomo wa kompyuta na mathabu muoyo wake uratinithirio ni nguriro cia cuma iria araguthirwo nacio mutwe na gutigwo ari mururuma. Njuragano eno iria iratabanirio thutha wa murutani uyu gutunya murutwo thimu irahanikire makinya manini tu kuma thukuru-ini uyu.
Hakika tulipata ya kwamba mwili ya mwalimu ilikuwa chini na kwa upande wa kichwa alikuwa gongwa, hatutasema aligongwa na nini, lakini inaonekana ya kwamba labda ni chuma kwa sababu kichwa iligongwa ikapasuka mpaka ubongo ilikuwa chini.
And yesterday when we were about just to go to sleep, that is at 10, he came to each classes. He just entered class, he was not talking, just getting out all the classes. He went around the classes. Suddenly we just had the sad news. As Hopewell, we are in a very deep sorrow.
Ayuritwo ni maithori na kiha kiingi, nyina wa murutani uyu akioria ekwirwo mwerwa makinya na gifoko gicokio thukuru amuci cia murutwo kuuraga murutani ni iregete mitheko.
Amina, ninakuuliza jameni, wa elimu watoto hawana discipline, wana walimu wao hawaheshimu walimu. Watoto wamekosa discipline jameni. Ninaomba serikali irudishe kiboko.
Umwe wa arogamireri a thukuru uyu akiuga murutani uyu arari muhoreri, mundu urendete wira wake na murata munene wa Arutwo ake. Oho ningi arantigete mieri minini tu arikie diploma yake ya iguru ya mathomo ma urutani.
Just a quiet fellow here. Yeah, you don't find him in this funny situations, eh? Yeah, that's why for me it struck me so hard yesterday when I was asking which is this boy who like colluded with outsiders. And they're telling me this young man here, I just couldn't believe it.
Na kuona thukuru uyu tukanite Arutwo akuinukana gukoma na ugakorwo kuhaniriria na itura ekwirwo maracukirwo gukorwo ni marakuruhanire na andu nja wa thukuru uyu gutavania njuragano eno ona gutuika uthuthuria ni urathie na mbere. Ngiribotera Inooro TV, ritwa riakwa ni Mwangi wa Maina.